Medhavi AI from Sanskrit, meaning intelligent or intellectually brilliant. The perfect name for our AI-powered intelligent learning systems. The prompt. Claude Code Terminal, Claude Dash. Write a Manim scene, particle in a box, L equals 1 nanometer electron mass. Draw the first 3 energy levels as horizontal lines. Label each with its energy in electron volts. 3 things in every generation prompt. The rule, the numbers, what to render. Miss anyone and the scene needs a redo. The CLI writes the file. Before running, read it. Find this line, n² times E1. That is the entire physics. Check that E1 is 1240² times π² over twice the mass times L² in electron volts. Check n equals 1 gives 0.376. 30 seconds. Never skip this. Run it. 2 things to verify. First, the ratio E2 over E1. The chip shows 4.000. Exact E, not approximate. That is the n² law. Second, E1 sits above 0. Ground state energy is 0.376 electron volts. The particle cannot have 0 energy. 0 point energy is built into the geometry. Both correct. Ready to iterate. Iterate. Claude, update PI L1nm.pyi, have L to 0.5 nanometers and show that E1 quadruples to 1.504 electron volts. 1 parameter, 1 check. Prompt, read, run, verify, change. The physics was the excuse. The loop is the skill you carry forward. Medhavi, AI-powered intelligent learning systems. On YouTube at Medhavi AI, medhavi.com.